The Ethernest is a student-run hackerspace centered in Abercrombie Lab. Unfortunately, like many other rooms in Abercrombie, the Ethernest has no windows. This leaves a very sad and dark interior that creeps into your soul.
Everyone was like, what?
So we visited at the dumpster of the ODK, and we found an assortment of monitors and laptop screens here. So we found about 2 square monitors, as well as a nice widescreen Samsung monitor. And we also found a laptop, which also has a screen that we could use. So we tested each of these individually to see if they work. So this Dell monitor here has a power indicator. And it lights up, it looks like the screen is fine, no problems at all. The laptop, we need to find the right power adapter for it. The monitor over here, the Samsung. This one also lights up. Looks like the colors are fine, no problems at all. And now this one looks like it's the newest. When we plug this one in, we find out the screen is broken. The screen is broken, what can we do with it? Let's find out.
So we didn't have the correct power adapter for the laptop, so then we hooked it up to the DC power supply by taking apart the power supply of the laptop and attaching the leads to the power supply. But we were obviously not successful in doing this because the computer didn't actually turn on.
So after taking apart some of these displays, we found some interesting things. Here's the power supply for one of them. We wouldn't use this, we would use our own power supply, so we just threw away all these electronics. They're kind of useless. In the back, we found that there was a circuit board attached to it, and these were displays. Unfortunately, we found that these displays were cold cathode fluorescent lit technology, not the LED that we were hoping for. So we tried applying voltages to these tubes, but they wouldn't light up. You can see the tubes cracked in that image above. Oh, look at Andrew just fiddling around with these displays. Oh, interesting. What you got there, Andrew? Oh, wait, that's Andrew? What? Really? Really?
I haven't been.
Yo, what up? So, we basically just took LED strips and we put them along the bottom, along the top, and have this little panel here. And then we hot glued the wires, we hot glued everything onto this. So once we light up the LEDs, this will be brightly lit. Show you in a second.
So we then cut apart some LED strips that we found in the O deck, and we put them on the top and the bottom of these panels so that they shone down into the panels and caused it to light up. So we made these 3 light panels by taking them out of various electric components like the laptop and the old monitors, and we hooked them up, powered them, and now we have 3 artificial windows. Sorry, my bad.
And if you look at the current, they're only drawing like less than half an amp, so
yep, and that's on 12 volts, so these are highly efficient artificial windows.
Yeah.
This is our highly complex design about our circuit. So basically we just hook up 4 monitors in parallel with one 12-volt 3-amp power supply.
We obtained a very generous donation from Bad Balloony of this MDF material, in which we mounted our panels to. We affixed them with L brackets and wood screws. The total cost was about $3. To keep the panels from falling off, we added a small little wood piece to the L bracket.
Yeah, boy. Right here I'm affixing the screens to the mounts on the board.
So next we ran the wires through the back of the board, we drilled a hole, and we soldered all the negatives to negatives and all the positives to positives. Here Andrew is carefully soldering the connections. Here's a better close-up of the connections that we have. We used the heat shrink to make them and kept them very isolated.